So in my last video, I showed you how we take the rear end in and out of gear using that shifter cable. Now we're going to talk about what makes this a quick change rear end. Up there, we've got a ring and we've got a pinion gear like a normal rear end. But what makes it quick change is back here is we've got this cover and there are two gears in there. So the actual drive shaft spins through here and spins the bottom gear, and then the top gear in turn goes back around and spins the pinion, which operates on the ring. Take this case off. There's just 6 nuts there. Pop that cover off. And what we've got here is 2 gears in there. And there's tons of different gear sets that can give us different ratios, so we can change them out. In the crate sprint, we don't change gears. We've got a gear rule. But in the 360 sprints, they don't have a gear rule. So depending on track conditions and RPM, they can change their gears a little bit more than we can. So let's see how these work. So here we've got 2 different gear sets. Let's see, I've got this one marked at the top, and there's a mark at the top there. So if we go a quarter turn on the top, take a look. This one is just down here, below 90 degrees. We're going to do the same thing on this other set. It's a slightly different ratio. So I'm going to grab it, give it a quarter turn, and see how this one is now pointing down a little bit more. Now that doesn't seem like much, but when you multiply that by 5,000 or 6,000 RPMs that these gears are turning, that makes a pretty big difference.